What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are gonna talk about how can you upgrade your flight on British Airways, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, is it possible? Of course. How to do it and much more details, we are gonna go through that. So first of all, the question is, when can you upgrade? So basically, if you have an existing booking, you can select your flight and choose upgrade this flight with Avios to see if your flight can be upgraded, or if you're just making plans, use their book and upgrade form to search for specific flights and dates to see if you can upgrade as you book, or use their reward availability tools. So you can use their Avios upgrades. So how actually can you do it? So you need to log into your option which says manage my booking, select your flight and choose upgrade this flight with Avios to see if your flight can be upgraded. As you can see, manage my bookings looks like this, and upgrade a new flight as you book. So of course use their book and upgrade form to search for availability to make your booking. Select the class of travel you wish to upgrade from when searching, and of course how much it costs. So basically the costs of upgrade is a cash amount for the flight, and Avios amount for the upgrade, taxes, fees and carrier carriages and charges. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process. You can either book your existing you can upgrade your existing booking, or you can upgrade the booking as you're searching for it. So basically that's the entirety of the process. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.